Hello YouTube, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install MySQL on your Windows computer. Open Google search and search for MySQL download. Here to select the MySQL installer. Don't worry, the exact link to this page will be given in the video description. Here you will see two files, one a 24 MB file and a 420 MB file. The 24 MB file is a web installer. If you have a very stable internet connection, you can choose it, but I recommend you to download the 420 MB version. Now thanks, just start my download. Depending on your internet connection, it could take a lot of time. I have already downloaded the file. Now I will show you how to install it. Just go to downloads, open the file that you have downloaded. MySQL installer community. Double click on it. We need to wait for a while. Okay, so now you can choose what components to install. You need to choose custom here. What you need is MySQL server. So you need MySQL server. Then you need a MySQL client. Okay, you can add MySQL shell. There is no need for workbench. Okay, you only need these two. Click on next. Click on execute. Okay, so MySQL has finished installing. Now ready to configure. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Select a password. Here I am going to give Inspire Geeks. Click on next. Configure MySQL as a Windows service. Start the MySQL server. System startup. Okay, now it will take a while. Click on execute. Click on finish to continue. Click on finish. Okay, so MySQL has successfully been installed. Now let's use it by opening MySQL command line client. Okay, you can MySQL command line client. enter the password that you chose earlier. For me it was InspireGeeks. Now you can use MySQL. Let's try out some commands like show databases, create database. Okay, so MySQL has successfully been installed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like our video.